Hi everyone, it's Valen and welcome to today's video. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a DIY ugly Christmas sweater. So if you guys want to see what the design is and everything that I'm going to be doing, then keep on watching this video.
All for Christmas, all the happy smiles.
So this is a sweater that I'm going to be using. I got this at Target for very cheap. Obviously you guys can get it wherever you want, but I just got mine at Target. So this is how it looks like. I'm going to try to do Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, and so basically I'm just gonna make a little reindeer and then put the little red nose because I love Rudolph. I think he's so adorable. So yeah, let's get started. So I have a lot of these little brown pom-poms that I'm going to be using to make Rudolph. Now let's get started. I am going to get the first pom-pom and glue it down, and then like I said, just glue a ton around it until I run out of the brown pom-pom. So yeah. So now all of the pom-poms are glued down onto the sweater. So now I'm getting this big, huge pom-pom, which is like a lighter brown shade. So this is gonna be like the nose part area, like the mouth, like this part of like the animal. So, or of the reindeer. So I'm gonna get this and I'm gonna glue it down close to the bottom of the circle. Okay, so now that it's glued down, so next I cut out of black felt, I cut out this little like half smile. So I'm gonna glue this onto the brown pom-pom just so it looks like he's smiling. So yeah. So now it is time to make this reindeer Rudolph by getting this sparkly red pom-pom and making it the nose and just adding it to make it that little extra oomph. Okay, so now that is done. So now it is time to glue the eyes. So I got these two little like googly eyes at just a little I got these at like Target. You can get them literally anywhere and there's different sizes. So I chose like the medium-ish size. So now I'm just gonna stick these on and yeah, let's do this. Perfect, so now that the eyes are glued down, it is time to add his ears. So then I got some brown felt and I cut out these two little ear shaped pieces. So I'm gonna paste these onto his face. So now that I glued down his ears in a lighter brown piece of felt, I cut out these like little smaller parts of ears. So this is gonna go like inside just to make it like a little bit more just to add like a little bit more dimension. So let's glue this on. So now that his ears are completely done, now it is time to put the last step. So in some red felt, I cut out these little antlers. And so now I'm just gonna glue them on, not too close to the ears, but like close enough so it looks like they're like regular antlers. Okay, so now Rudolph is completely done. So just to make it a little bit more festive, all around the collar, I'm just gonna add some of these little small sparkly pom-poms just to make it, like I said, a little bit more festive. So yeah.
I'll keep you warm, but tell me one thing. Is there anything you're missing?
So this is the sweater, you guys. I am really happy with how it turned out. Like I honestly think oh my god. I honestly think it looks really cute, and yeah, I mean, I'm 100% wearing this. Like I'm literally wearing this out tonight when I go out to dinner. I do not care. I think this is so cute. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. So hopefully you guys like this video. If you did, then you guys know the drill. Don't forget to let me know by leaving a big thumbs up. Also, if you aren't already, you should totally subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click that little bell icon to be notified whenever I post a new video. Hopefully I inspired you guys to make your own ugly Christmas sweater. If you did, then post it on your social media and tag me with all my links down below because I definitely want to see all the sweaters that you guys made. Even if you didn't make them, even if you bought one, I still want to see it. So make sure you tag me. And so yeah, thank you guys again for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!